Had a training yesterday and today on air pollution, so we are just trying to empower our journalists on how to report on the importance of air pollution. Air pollution affects all of us. It affects common Malayanchi journalists like you and me. We are affected by air pollution. So that's why it is important for us to report. But it is an underreported thing because we don't see air as something which can affect some of us. But most of these respiratory diseases, most of these cancers, most of these unborn babies, most of these stunted growth and even most of these diseases that we have in our country, like lung cancer, like respiratory diseases, diabetes, is caused by the quality of air that we have. So if the air is polluted, we get a lot of these diseases. So it is important for us to know the causes, the impacts, and the solution that we can offer so that we can be able to report effectively to our communities.
My name is Spirit Munyama. I work for World Resource Institute as a gender and equity specialist. And I would like to urge all journalists out there that whenever they're giving their stories, let them have communities in mind, let them do it with a gender lens, let them consider the different needs of the men, the women, the children, and every member of society. Because at the end of the day, our stories are meant to impact society.
Because the funders just wanted to target Nairobi in Kenya, Indo in India, and Jakarta in Indonesia. So it's a pilot project, but if the project is going to be successful in these three pilot studies, in these pilot cities, then it is going to be replicated in other cities. So that's why it was just important for them to start and see if it is something that is effective, and then they can roll it in other cities.
We will have different dimensions of stories coming out where air pollution is concerned. I think, and I believe in the capacity of the journalists that we have trained today, that they will go out there, spread the message around issues of air pollution. What are some of the ways we can mitigate it and how it's actually affecting communities? And I believe from this training we will have continuous conversations around the gender impact of air pollution.
That's why we have all journalists, be it digital journalists from vernacular radio and TV stations like yourself. We have taught you all these principles, all these terminologies. Now the burden is to you to go and now translate it into your vernacular languages, and be able to tell the story in a way that my grandmother, your grandmother, our sisters, our brothers are going to understand, and we are going to take care of our environment so that we can have safe air